Hello children. Look at me. What I am today? Can you guess? I am a chef. I'm going to sing a rhyme for you. Hot Cross Buns. So do you want to sing along with me? First listen to me. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give it to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Did you like it? Come on now, sing it along with me. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give it to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Keep practicing, children. See you next time. Bye-bye.